Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So this video we are going to see a recruitment news from Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So there is a recruitment for engineers happening from HPCL, that is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So before going into the video, if you are seeing EC Electronics channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and also follow us on Instagram. And for notes, please do subscribe to our Telegram channel also. Okay, all the links are being given in the description. So let us see the details of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So the recruitment is happening for various engineers. Before seeing the details of qualification and branches, the last date for applying to this application is 15th of April. Okay. So if you are qualified or if you are eligible, please to apply for this post before 15th of April. Okay. Now let us see the post details, vacancy details, all those things. First one, mechanical engineer, 120 vacancy is there. So this is actually a very big recruitment. The educational qualification is mechanical or mechanical and production. Maximum age limit is 25 years. The scale grade is E2. Okay, why they have given this E2 is later on they have mentioned the pay scale and all. Okay, based on this E2 scale, they'll be giving the pay scale. Okay, next one, civil engineer, 30 vacancies. Qualification is civil engineering, 25 years is the maximum age limit. Okay, then electrical engineer, 25 vacancies. The branches they are calling is electrical or electrical and electronics, 25 years is the age limit. Instrumentation engineer, here either you should be having instrumentation or instrumentation and control or electronics and instrumentation or instrumentation and electronics. Age limit is again 25 years. Okay, so that's all about the branch details and the vacancy details. Now the eligibility criteria for the educational qualification they are asking is qualification must be 4 years full-time regular engineering course from AICTE approved university with minimum 60% of mark for the general OBC and EWS candidates and 50% of mark for SC/ST and persons with disabilities. Okay. So this is the qualification. In these respective branches, you should be having an engineering degree, that to a full-time degree. Okay, with 60% of mark if you are belonging to general and OBC category, but SC/ST people require only 50% of mark. Okay, so that is a qualification, detail, age limit, and everything. Now let us see the selection process. So the selection process is consisting of computer-based test, group task, and personal interview. Let us see the weightage first. The computer-based test is having 85% of weightage. That is, maximum weightage is for your test or the examination. Then group task is there, which is having 55% of mark. Personal interview is given 10% of mark. Okay, 85% of mark for computer-based test, 5% for group task, and personal interview 10%. Final scoring will be combining these three. Okay, so that's why they have actually given the division or the weightage division. Okay, and final scoring you should be getting minimum 60% of mark if you are belonging to unreserved or economically weaker session. But for OBC candidates, SC/ST and persons with disabilities, minimum 55% you should be getting by combining these three. Okay, now let us see what all things you have to prepare for the various stages. Okay, so first one is computer-based test. Computer-based test consists of two parts. First one, the part one is general aptitude. It is consisting of English language, quantitative aptitude test, intellectual potential test. Okay, so that is generic area you have to prepare. English, aptitude, and then all these things, reasoning, all these areas you have to prepare for the part one. Then part two is your technical knowledge, comprising of questions from your qualifying degree. Whichever branch you are belonging to, that specific branch questions will be there. Okay, so that's all about the computer-based test. Next one is the group task. Okay, so candidates qualifying the computer-based test will be called for the will be advised to upload the supporting documents. Then after the computer-based test, they will be asked to give the documents or the certificates. Then based on the scrutiny of the applications, there will be group task and personal interview. Okay, candidates must acquire minimum qualifying mark in all the stages to to have the final selection. Okay, so that is the details of your selection process. There will be computer-based examination, group task, and personal interview. Group task will be group discussion or group activities. Like mostly there will be group discussion or debate will be there. Okay, so that is based on this group activity. They will be conducting the second stage, which is group task. Okay, then personal interview means person to person interview will be there. In the person to person interview also, you will be have to prepare the questions from your technical subject and also from the generic area. Okay, so that's all about the selection process. The weightage and everything they have given in very detail. Now let us see the scale of pay or the pay scale. So we have already seen that it is E2 scale. So 50,000 to 1,60,000 is the pay scale. Okay. So that is the details of pay scale. Now the placement or posting, actually they have not mentioned here clearly. It will be in any location of HPCL. This notification is from HPCL Mumbai, but the location of posting won't be that exactly. It can be in any locations of HPCL. Okay. And also, if you are getting selected, 1 year will be probation period. And after completing of this probation successfully, you will be appointed to the E2 scale. Okay. So that is about the probation details. Now, other details for reservation, age limit, that is age relaxation, everything they have given here in very detail. If you want to go through the notification, you can read all those sections. Okay. These details are actually regarding the age relaxation, regarding the creamy layer, all these things. Now, let us see the application process. Okay. So this is the site you have to follow to apply online. Candidates are requested to apply online on www.hindustanpetroleum.com career. Then current openings. Correctly, they have given which all links you have to go. Then current openings. After reading the detailed advertisement, you have to fill up the application form. The last date we have seen from the 3rd March to 15th of April is the last date. Okay, application is online only. You have to fill up an online application form. You have to fill all your details, educational qualification details, email ID, phone number, all the details you have to fill up. Talking about the application fees, the application fees is unreserved candidates, OBC and economically weaker section are required to pay a fees of 1,180 rupees as a non-refundable amount. It will be the cost for application. Okay. Then SC/ST and persons with disabilities are exempted from fees. Okay. So this is the fee details. So that's all about the application or the recruitment from HPCL. Actually, there is a lot of openings. If you are interested, please do see the notification detail and apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. So that's all about the recruitment update from Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. If you are finding these videos useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. Also support us on our Instagram page and please do share our Instagram page also. I'll be posting the details of recruitments and everything in the Instagram also. And for notes of the subject related videos, please do subscribe to the Telegram channel. All these links are given in the description. Okay. So that's all about this recruitment. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.